Hi guys, Ash here. We've got this Aston Martin DB11 in today for a new back box. Obviously this one's a bit smaller than the one that's on there, the original. The benefits of this is going to make it a more sportier sound. So let's get to it. No, it's not a bad thing at all. Like, obviously it's smaller for the reason why. It's just like having a straight pipe. So if you had that kind of exhaust, then obviously it'd be really loud. But obviously the customer didn't want it that loud, so this is why we've got an extra back box like this. But again, it's smaller than the original, so he will get the sound, but not too much of a sound. So we're just taking off the exhaust valves. As if you just take the 3 bolts off here and then just put it to the side and take the exhaust away, and then when we put the new one in, we can just put that straight onto its holder on the new ones. Straight up like that and then straight down. See? We're just taking this heat shield off here to transfer it over onto the new one. So again, it's off the old one, so now this has got to transfer onto the new one. There we go, transferred the heat shield from the old one to the new one, and now we've got to install it back on his Aston. As you can see, we've got all 4 bolts to the flanges. They're all in, nice and tight. And now we can put the old valves in. So this is a nut and washer for the valves to open them up, which sit just onto there like that. There we go. In. So this is the exhaust pipe. As you can see, it's on a 45. So what happens, it goes from obviously this side and then out towards that. So technically that will sit just inside of there.